Hello and welcome to Acer Green Day. Today, I'm excited to share with you updates on the progress of our efforts on environmental sustainability. Since 2008, we have introduced the carbon disclosure programs to our supply chain. And this year, we are extending it to 3 tiers. In 2013, we started to aggressively increase the recycled content of our notebook packaging. In 2017, we united Acer employees worldwide to create a sustainability framework for eco-friendly initiative and instilled a green philosophy into everything we do. We call it Project Humanity. We also work closely with suppliers and partners to bring sustainability initiatives into our supply chain ecosystem through our Earthian programs announced in 2021. In the same year, we launched the Vero product line, setting the bar for an eco-friendly yet accessible laptop that doesn't compromise on quality. Through our green initiative and innovations, we continue to move forward with humanity in mind, step by step, project by project, and mission by mission. We have since expanded the Vero portfolio to include travel mat, laptops, monitors, projectors, desktop, all-in-one accessories, and many other product offers. Pushing the envelope how we can use recycled materials and implement an eco-friendly design in the commercial PCs. For our efforts, we received numerous international design awards and positive feedbacks from partners and media around the world. We are working as fast as we can to fulfill our backlog of pre-orders. In addition to our green products, we are also working on smart solutions for our ever-changing society. At Acer, we want to make significant impacts on humanity. We are collaborating with authorities to incorporate innovative smart solutions into people's everyday life. With new technology, we envision a future that these solutions will contribute toward a greener future. For example, in several cities, we have implemented a smart roadside parking solution to help drivers find spaces, thereby cutting idle time and resources spent on road and integrated EV charging solution to lower the carbon footprint. Our dream is to bring sustainability to everyday life by making smart cities a reality, a connected, sustainable lifestyle for all. Acer will continue pushing the boundaries and breaking barriers between people and technology, and we understand our impact will be much greater and wider by joining hands with our stakeholders. That is why we launched the Earthian platform that combines the strengths of our company, supply chain partners, consumers on this journey. With our focus on environmental sustainability, we are committed to achieving 100% renewable energy use by 2035. On Acer Green Day, we would like to show you our appreciation for those who joined our Earthian program to establish a green PC ecosystem. Let's take this opportunity today to take a glimpse at our progress and achievements so far. To start, let me hand it over to Jerry to introduce more about our exciting green innovations.
Launched in 2021, Vero, our green product lines, providing consumers with more options for making greener choices in their daily lives. Vero products focus on incorporating sustainable and recycled materials while maintaining or even enhancing overall product performance. We also work to extend the product lifespan and improve the reusability of our packaging to reduce overall waste. In just 1 year, our market results were exceptional. With excitement from users worldwide, it's a clear sign that consumers value sustainability in their products now more than ever. Our goal for 2025 is to incorporate up to 30% PCR plastic content across our core products, bringing more green selections to the market for our consumers. Building on the initial success of Acer Vero, we have already expanded our green innovation to other product lines, from laptops to monitors, accessories, and more. To deliver further impact, we're also planning dedicated commercial laptops for eco-conscious professionals and business users. We already have a wide range of product selections available on the Acer website, and products will also be available to try out at Acer Green zones around the world. We can't wait for you to see them and hear your thoughts. Today, we're unveiling our latest Vero product, the Acer Chromebook Vero 514. Let me hand it over to Michael to share more details with you.
Thank you, Jerry. The Acer Chromebook Vero 514 comes with all the eco-friendly features you expect from our Vero laptops. Equipped with up to a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and a color-accurate display, there are no compromises on features or performance here. On the material side, the Acer Chromebook Vero 514 fully integrates recycled plastic. With 30% PCR plastic in the chassis, 50% in the keycaps and audio speakers, ocean-bound plastics in the cooling fan, and ocean glass touchpad, all packaged with eco-friendly materials. But what makes this device unique is we wanted to build on our notion of what it means to be sustainable. How can we further enhance the product durability? Our new Chromebook Vero has been rigorously tested to meet military standard A10H for military-grade durability, so you don't have to worry about it when on the go. Not only is the Acer Chromebook Vero the perfect companion for eco-conscious consumers, but we also have the Acer Chromebook Enterprise Vero 514, tailored for professionals, which ships with Chrome Enterprise upgrade that can provide a simple and secure way to manage your devices. Now back to you, Jerry.
Google has been a long-term partner on our journey towards a greener future, sharing our passion for sustainability and environmental protection. Today, we have invited Google's Chrome OS VP and GM, John Solomon, to join us. Let's welcome John.
Thank you, Jerry. You know, at Google, we really focused on making our products extremely helpful to end users. And nowhere is this more important than the area of sustainability. So increasingly, we're working to ensure our products, our practices, and our partnerships are working together to support a low carbon footprint. And when it comes to sustainability, we absolutely get more done when we partner. And that's why we're super excited to partner with you, Acer, one of our very top OEMs, to accelerate change. And by aligning and building on the most advanced and forward-thinking sustainable practices. You may be aware that Chrome OS devices already consume as much as 46% less energy than competitive comparable products. But with this partnership with Acer, we've taken this a few steps further. By using recycled materials, by taking advantage of ocean-bound plastics and recyclable packaging, and by using a low carbon emission manufacturing processes. So the overall package just makes a bigger impact on carbon footprint. Acer's Chrome OS devices contribute to a carbon-free future using energy responsibly, reducing e-waste, and prolonging device life cycles. And of course, Acer's Chrome OS products are not just for consumers in their personal use, but these products are also designed for SMBs and enterprises with powerful ability to scale to a whole fleet and allowing enterprises to meet their own carbon reduction commitments. I'm personally very proud of the work that our team has done with Acer to collaborate and launch the Acer Chromebook Vero 514 and the sister product designed for enterprises, the Acer Chromebook Enterprise Vero 514, and to continue working with Acer to invest in devices that help protect our planet. Thank you, Acer, for coming on this journey with us. Back to you, Jerry.
Thank you, John, and we look forward to continuing our partnership. At Acer, our mission is to break barriers between people and technology, delivering technology into the hands of many, not just a few. Our desire to pursue a greener possibility led us to create the Earthium program, which then led to our eco-friendly Vero product line. Under Acer's sustainability roadmap, sharing our vision with partners and suppliers was key to expanding our impact. To achieve a more sustainable supply chain ecosystem for the PC industry, we invited our partners, suppliers, and vendors to join us around 6 main missions: product design, production, energy, logistics, package design, and recycling. The goal is to minimize our carbon footprint from production to fulfillment. Many key partners and suppliers across various industries already engaged in Earthium during our first year. We have spurred numerous initiatives to improve our production process. This includes increasing the durability and the percentage of sustainable materials in our product designs, reducing plastic waste in packaging designs and logistics, also adopting green energy, improving waste management, and so much more. As one of the leading PC companies in the world, we believe in the positive impact we can create. Therefore, greener product design was the first aspect that we focused on. As mentioned earlier, we increased the portion of sustainable materials in our products while extending product lifespan and increasing energy efficiency. Let's dive right into our Earthium documentary series that captures our progress, challenges, and the transformations throughout the journey to a better tomorrow.
Every product that we produce, especially computer-related products, has hundreds or thousands of components. Every component consumes resources and leads to certain levels of waste. Thus, when we design a product, we try to reduce the impact generated as much as possible.
Finding eco-friendly materials and applying them throughout the entire supply chain is not easy. At the same time, we must take into account the performance and quality of these products, which requires a lot of additional effort.
We assessed various types of potential materials, PCR being one of them. During the assessment process, we discovered that some materials are not truly eco-friendly, so in the end, we decided on PCR.
Being sustainable was our core belief for product design, so our first step was to ensure the product was made of 30% PCR. However, we found that eco-friendliness alone was not enough to attract users. We had to do something about the product design to provide a refreshing look.
For Acer's current products, we've already been working with recycled materials. However, in this new generation of products, we've increased the use of mica material, giving the user a completely different look and feel for our sustainable products.
The goal is to raise environmental awareness among more people through appearance and design. Our touchpads were originally made with the same materials as our PCs, but we have now replaced them with PET sourced from the ocean.
We also added a new surface treatment method, making it feel like glass, giving a better tactile experience for users.
With PCR, the main goal is to reduce the use of virgin plastics to reduce contamination in the petrochemical refining process. So, we tried to increase the total percentage used.
However, in trying to increase to a higher percentage, there are drawbacks. Besides the higher cost, it might produce more of a carbon footprint in the transportation process. Secondly, as you increase the amount of recycled materials, it might also affect the product performance.
At 35% recycled materials, could we keep increasing? To see if it's helpful for the entire product line as a whole, we tested possibilities. In fact, it negatively impacted the integrity of the plastic. So at 35%, it's already at the optimal ratio.
So, thinking about it from another perspective, if we can extend the product lifespan or provide upgrades in a timely manner, then, of course, this would be another approach to sustainability.
In the past, all the configurations of our system were fixed. We could select the most optimal configuration to extend product lifespan.
Mini PC 呢，就是它的主要特点。
The main feature of Mini PC is its flexibility can accommodate all different commercial needs by having small modifications between products. If we give consumers the ability to switch out or upgrade some components, we can reduce the chances of them discarding the entire product.
Whether it's an AIO or a mini PC, they're all modular. This allows the parts to be easily interchangeable and replaceable. That was challenging because we have to ensure that the products can be energy efficient and work well. That means a lot of testing.
The collaboration between us and Acer has allowed clients the freedom to choose which direction to take among the ones we have to offer. Ultimately, we hope we can achieve a goal of sustainability or carbon neutrality with our products.
At the end of the day, designing eco-friendly products extends beyond product design, structural design, appearance, and material sourcing. It is also closely related to our suppliers, downstream factories, and product recycling processes.
We have established collaboration at the beginning of the supply chain, and it is a long-term commitment that we have been involved in from its inception. We hope we can better understand the ways to help the environment and minimize costs.
If we can let more suppliers know that Acer cares about environmental protection, through the Earthian program, they can submit even more eco-friendly ideas and solutions with us. Therefore, with the Earthian program, we can all carry out our mission of eco-friendly product design and sustainability.
Striking a balance between sustainable, recycled materials and product durability has always been a challenge. We have worked diligently with our partners over the past year to find ways to implement more sustainable materials without sacrificing durability and sturdiness. We also continue to search for new and greener materials for future product development. Let's invite Paul Pan from AUO to share with us a little more on our journey to create greener display panels.
Thank you, Jerry. Hi, I'm Paul from AUO. It's my pleasure to invite me to take part in Green Day event and share AUO green product experience with you. AUO and Acer have worked closely for a long time. We share a common vision on technology innovation and sustainability. To provide better products and safeguard our environment, we will continue to refine our innovation ability and bring positive impact through collaboration. AUO has devoted efforts in green manufacturing and products for a long time. When AUO learned about Acer's Green Notebook project by a chance, we knew that our eco-friendly panel would be just the one that Acer was looking for. Eco-friendly panel was partly made by post-consumer recycled plastic. It was the first notebook display certified by UL 3600 circularity certification in display industry. At the same time, after passing strict product durability tests and integration challenges, it offers a satisfying user experience to consumers. In the near future, we plan to utilize recycled steel and glass substrate in the design. The panel was adopted in Acer Acer Vero last year and popular in the market. This year, it's been introduced for TravelMate Vero Business Notebook. We hope to work together with partners continuously through collaboration with Acer and Atheon platform, fulfilling our commitment to sustainability and forge a green, fashionable lifestyle.
Paul, thank you for your sharing. Product design is not only about the components we can see, but also the components we use on the inside. And we have invited George Newman VP and GM of Mobile Innovation from Intel, to share how we incorporate energy-efficient and sustainable yet powerful processors into our products.
At Intel, our commitment to positive global impact is embedded in our purpose to create technology that enriches the life of every person on Earth. Within that commitment is a focus on sustainability. We aim to be a global leader in sustainability and enable our customers and others to reduce their environmental impact through our actions and technology. To do this, we're progressing toward our 2030 RISE goals to advance sustainability in our operations and supply chain, develop more sustainable manufacturing practices with the semiconductor industry, and collaborate with stakeholders to achieve the global challenge of carbon neutral computing by 2030. Consistent with those goals, it's exciting for us to work with our customers on innovation that make their products a more sustainable choice for their customers. The new Acer Vero products are thoughtfully designed from the inside out to incorporate more sustainable choices in the system design. To achieve this required close co-engineering between Intel and Acer to adapt the system design for these materials while still delivering wonderful performance, battery life, connectivity, and style. Through the Intel Evo platform, Intel was able to work closely with Acer to co-engineer the mobile experiences of Intel Evo into the new Acer Vero designs. Congratulations to Acer for bringing this wonderful new product value proposition to life.
As always, thank you Intel for being a great partner. And of course, we would like to thank Wistron, Covestro, Qilin, Nanya, and Teijin, who all contributed significantly to shaping our green product designs. In addition to the product itself, the packaging is another aspect we have sought to create change with our consumers. We began to focus on implementing notions of reducing, reusing, and recycling into our packaging design process. With the support of our partners, including Golden Arrow, Xinxin, Sangyang, Quanta, and Wistron, we incorporated recycled materials for Vero notebook packaging. Furthermore, all our packaging is fully recyclable and even comes with additional reusable functions. Let's look at how we turn our sustainable packaging design into reality.
How can we judge whether a product's packaging design is good? First and foremost, does it provide adequate protection for the product? Next, are we finding ways to make it 100% recyclable and achieving our sustainability goals?
The conventional way is to use styrofoam or other cushioning materials to protect bulky items.
For example, gaming PCs tend to be heavier. So, to protect them, EPE is often the first choice because it's easier to assemble and easier to implement.
Even if we were to use 100% recycled foam, it is still ultimately a plastic material.
We show users the recyclability of the packaging material when they get the device. What's the first recyclable material to come to mind? Paper.
We then incorporated paper folding and developed a paper molded pulp design that includes many recyclable materials that can be reused as part of a circular economy.
Normally, structural designs made with EPE can be entirely automated in production. However, when using paper instead, maintaining structural integrity and protection becomes a challenge. There are also many more angled corners and slots, which will require a massive amount of labor to complete the packaging process.
The AIO is highly upgradable. When fully upgraded, the entire machine weighs 7.7 kilograms. How would you ensure that the display wouldn't be damaged if dropped? This was a huge challenge for the Veriton Vero AIO packaging team.
Handles are necessary for these larger devices, such as gaming laptops and AIO. Currently, they are made of plastic. However, if we replace them with paper, they can also help us streamline the production process as they will be assembled up front.
At the start, we weren't confident that paper materials could support the weight of some heavier laptops, around 5 to 6 kilograms, since plastic typically can bear more weight than its paper counterpart.
Adjustment takes time, and using the paper-molded pulp approach requires a mold-making design. This process often requires going through many cycles, day in and day out, before ultimately arriving at the best result.
Packaging is a part of the product experience. On top of a better unboxing experience, we asked ourselves, was there anything else we could think about, such as extending the usability of the packaging?
How about the accessory box for the power cord or adapter? Usually, this is just an empty box and partition. With some ingenuity, it could act as a cooling stand, giving it practical functionality.
There is not a one-size-fits-all solution for all companies. For Acer, figuring out our solution involved collaborating with suppliers and brainstorming new methods of production and packaging to fit our environmentally focused needs.
For over the last decade or so, we've really grown together with Acer through different ways like close collaboration, brainstorming, and mutual support. We've come a long way with Acer.
In the beginning, package design was also new to us. Working closely with Acer provided new knowledge and inspired us to further our ideas. Our cooperation with Acer gave everyone an opportunity to grow.
In the past, people would ask me why I would not just choose EPE? Why paper folding? Why are you working so hard when you can finish in a few days? Because since 2013, we've always insisted on being more sustainable, and we believe this is the best way overall.
Initially, only the design team and a few product managers would focus on packaging design. They would study the approach to make packaging better and more sustainable. More and more of us started to acknowledge that packaging design is not just about packaging. If we could reduce a bit of plastic or even do away with unnecessary materials altogether, it would create substantial positive change for our environment and planet.
It's only possible for us to be where we are now thanks to the support of ODMs, the suppliers, and our executive team. Otherwise, we may have only made it halfway. In everyday life, we feel more connected to nature and our surroundings. We want to leave a better environment for the next generation.
We are very excited to see what's possible for our packaging solutions. But for now, let's welcome Golden Arrow to dive deeper into their journey with us on striking the balance between green and protection.
For the past 38 years, Golden Arrow has been committed to a better future through our completely sustainable packaging and printing operations. We're excited to grow with global visionary leaders like Acer to respond to the worldwide need for renewable and ethical choices for a safer, more responsible world. As long-term partners, Acer and Golden Arrow have supported each other during the growth and migration of the IT industry for the past 30 years and pursued mutual goals for clean, cutting-edge production cycles. In 2013, Acer took the lead in cooperating with Golden Arrow to develop the first sustainable notebook packaging, introducing molded fiber technology and sustainable materials in the consumer electronics segment. Through the collaborative efforts of Acer and Golden Arrow's innovation and development teams, we successfully introduced the reuse of packaging system, a green production plan to help reduce the ecological footprint of Acer's product packaging. Following Eartheon, Golden Arrow worked with Acer on new packaging concepts to reinforce the reuse and recycling goals, while maintaining exceptional design and branding elements to enhance Acer's consumer perception and store appeal. For us, it's all about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Any new product line we support must convey the concept of environmentally friendly design while giving the consumer immediate access to the product. A combination of intelligent design with strategic green practices. Under the current business operation model among the brand, OEM, and ODM manufacturers, new designs may encounter manufacturing difficulties. Therefore, maintaining a smooth production line while increasing speed and quantity is equally critical. Together, through continuous improvements, engineering verifications, and proactive communication, Acer and Golden Arrow have consistently achieved the mutual goal of increasing sustainability, visibility, and consumer satisfaction through many product lines. Overall, Golden Arrow envisions a future where consumer brands pay close attention to environmental needs, consumer desires, and sustainable practices. A common goal of Golden Arrow and Acer in the past and future. We provide premium packaging solutions that are 100% biodegradable and durable. The quality of our sustainable packaging is in the detail, from environmentally safe plant fibers to net zero carbon manufacturing that supports global brands such as Acer in their pursuit of a sustainable future for everyone. We're happy to provide new meaning and value to product packaging and heighten experience for consumers through Acer products. We truly appreciate the recognition and support in our joint mission and collaboration, and together with Acer, we believe sustainable packaging is the future of the packaging industry. It is our role to lead and make this future a reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. Next, I'd like to hand it over to Tiffany to share more about Ursian, specific in production, logistics, recycling, and energy.
Thank you, Jerry. Sustainability is a never-ending journey for all of us at Acer and our Ursian partners. Our impact matters, and so do products and byproducts we create. Moving from products to manufacturing, Acer is aware of hidden environmental impacts beyond typical production processes. While the Industrial Revolution set in motion our manufacturing advancement, it also pushed our environment beyond its carrying capacity. To combat manufacturing's impact on our climate, Acer has stepped up with our partners Compel and Quanta to upgrade our overall waste management system with particular emphasis on plastic production and chemical surveillance. From reducing plastic bag usage in our production line to bring sustainable change to our suppliers' manufacturing system, we work hand in hand with our partners and suppliers. Furthermore, we continue to carefully manage our raw material to comply with RoHS, product safety-related regulation, and eco-labeling standards. We have also invited Compel to elaborate more on reaching an optimum production process that is both efficient and environmental friendly.
Hi, this is Martin, President of Compel. It's my honor to join Acer Green Day to share our joint effort in promoting sustainability. As the long-term supplier of Acer, we share a common goal of creating sustainable lives through our technology. Therefore, Compel joined Acer Ursian program and wish to play key roles in Acer's Green Supply Chain project. In terms of product cooperation, Compel is honored to be the first production partner of Acer Vero. Our team overcome the challenge of injection molding process and the production year of PCR plastification, and work together with Acer to bring this eco-friendly green robot to the market successfully. On the production side, we echo customers' RE100 initiative, and the Compel achieved 42% of electricity from renewable energy in year 2021. In terms of recycling, we proactively joined Acer's electronic waste recycling campaign since 2019 for 3 consecutive years, and nearly 3 tons of electronic waste was recycled, reflecting our joint commitment to the circular economy. We stepped further again this year. In April, Compel committed the science-based carbon reduction target to SBTi, officially announced our 2050 net zero goal. Furthermore, we will launch our sustainable supply chain project this year in the role of an integrated manufacturer to go hand in hand with customer and supplier to achieve our sustainability goal together. We will work together with our customer and supplier to make our green vision a reality.
It was a long, painstaking process, right, Martin? But think about the benefit we can bring to our planet. It makes it all worthwhile. However, to match our efforts in production process, We also need to make some adjustment for our logistic activity as well. In addition to develop a more responsible logistics system, we also devised several green solutions with DHL and remove plastic waste from the source. Before going to our partner stories, let's invite Alison from Acer Global Logistics Management Team to tell us more about it first.
Thank you, Tiffany. Providing consumers with an enjoyable product experience has always been our job. This includes ensuring our products arrive safely in our consumers' hands. However, one of our Australian colleagues recently pointed out that the excess yellow security tape used in the pallet packing process was detrimental to our environment. This gave us an idea. Why not overhaul our security procedures to enable a more eco-friendly logistics system? After careful assessment and testing to verify security levels, we're proud to announce that we are now removing redundant security tapes from all our monitor shipments. The amount of our recyclable waste reduced per year for our monitor lineup is expected to be 5,500 kilometers of tape alone. That is approximately the distance from London to New York. We also have plans to adopt the process for all Acer product lines in the near future. Another critical step that we've taken is to develop a carbon accounting system for our transportation activities. Freight transportation and logistic activities contributes to nearly 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions. So, our new carbon accounting system allows for logistic optimization based on our historical data. Our new system has already been rolled out in parts of the world, providing crucial greenhouse gas emission data for our regional office and logistic providers. We aim to implement this system worldwide by 2026.
Thank you, Alison. I would also like to invite one of our key logistic partners, Dhl Global Forwarding, to share our collective effort toward their 2050 zero emission goal.
Hi everyone, I'm Macklin from Dhl Global Forwarding. I'm the global sales head responsible for the high-tech customer portfolio, and currently I'm based in Singapore. I'm very excited to be here today to take part in Acer's Green Day event. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Acer for achieving so much success since the launch of its Guardian program. Sustainability and Go Green have long been an integral part of our DNA at DHL, and we are very honored and pleased to be here to share our collaboration and journey with Acer so far. At DHL, we focus on 3 key areas when it comes to sustainability: our environment, our people, and our industry. Focusing on the environmental part, our long-term target is to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. To do that, we have set some interim targets by 2030. These include the use of more than 30% sustainable aviation and marine fuel, electrifying 60% of last-mile delivery vehicles, the use of carbon-neutral design for all new buildings, and finally, offering a portfolio of green alternatives for all of our core products and solutions. We are aware that transport and logistics are responsible for a large proportion of greenhouse gas emissions and contribute heavily to the overall footprint of our customers. Therefore, as a key logistics partner of Acer, we are fully committed to support Acer in this pursuit for a greener supply chain. At DHL Global Forwarding, we divide our journey towards zero emissions into 2 S-curves: burn less and burn clean. The first S-curve, burn less, is focusing on efficiency improvements within the supply chain. One key joint initiative with Acer is a best practice example for that. The Mega Gateway in Europe will enable Acer to have its shipment handled more efficiently, combining different transport modes to get the shipment delivered directly to the customers. Other initiatives include reducing the chance of having failed or re-deliveries, eliminating physical paperwork where possible, actively pushing for more multimodal solutions, and so forth. These solutions are built based on a strong collaboration partnership we have with Acer. The focus of the second S-curve, burn clean, is about decarbonization by using new technologies like sustainable fuel or electricity instead of fossil fuels. One example here is that we are leveraging the DHL freight network with their partially electric fleet for the Acer shipment we handle today. To track the progress of our joint initiatives, We provide monthly carbon footprint reports, which enable us to monitor the success as they are being rolled out. Urdian is a beautiful name combining Earth and mission. With both companies sharing similar mission and vision on sustainability, there are numerous opportunities to further collaborate and help us achieve our mission faster and doing our part for our Earth. Here's wishing Acer great success on this Urdian program and continuing to be a leader in this industry in Go Green efforts. Thank you.
Thank you, Magdalene. I can't wait to see our impacts once the prints rolls out. Now let's switch gears and take some time to recap our ongoing recycling efforts. In 2021 alone, Acer America collected metric tons of disposable lithium batteries for proper recycling. From 2018 to 2021, saving over 13 metric tons of waste destined for landfills. Furthermore, the U.S. stringent recycling program requires the proper disposal and management of electronic waste equipment, components, and materials. We ensure that Acer's recycle program is always up to date. On the other side of the Atlantic, we also carefully follow the EU EEE directive concerning our products, batteries, and packaging. At Acer, we reduce the barrier to recycling all electronics by providing easy Acer trade-in programs. We encourage and reward customers for participating in our trade-in and recycling programs, currently rolled out in the US, EMEA, and some countries in Asia Pacific. Acer continues to strengthen our environmental sustainability by providing recycling solutions to our products and materials, hoping to give all our products a new purpose at the end of their lives. Let me invite Emmanuel to share more our training effort in EMEA.
Hello everyone. As you know, Acer is extremely committed to environment protection and sustainability. We continuously look for ways to deliver on this commitment and to leave a cleaner planet to future generations. By now, you know already about Acer Earthion initiative driven by a headquarter that focuses on green supply chain and green products and which led to the creation of our Vero product line. In EMEA, we want to extend the reach of Earthion program and go beyond just offering Vero products to the market. This is when we came with the idea of trade-in programs in order to collect old electronic products, recycle them, or dispose of them in a way that is environment friendly. We are proud to do this internally in our own service facilities. This program reduces the negative impact of disposing of old electronics by extending the life cycle of the products. We also see that it raises awareness in the public, and actually people are very happy to turn their products to us, not just to collect a voucher or a promotion for a new Acer product, but also because they feel good about the positive impact they have on the planet. We are running two programs, one for commercial and one for consumer. The programs are available in 9 countries, and so far we've collected more than 5,000 units, and we look forward to collecting much more in the future. So together, one device at a time, we create a sustainable future and we make our green mark. Thank you.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Last but not least, we did not forget to be eco-conscious with our energy consumption. The Acer Group have joined RE100, committing to 100% renewable energy use by 2035. The total green power generation for the whole year in 2021 in Acer Group have grown 10% year-on-year. Additionally, we are also looking for ways to bring renewable energy into everyday life with Acer Smart City solutions, including smart parking meters, smart charging solutions, and we are working closely with the authority to provide optimal solutions to help reduce city traffic and overall energy consumption. In the last documentary segment, let's explore Acer's use of sustainable energy. Acer's operation around the globe, more than 40% of them already use renewable energy, but we need to reach 100%.
Committed RE100 by 2035 is an ambitious goal for us.
think everybody feel pains about what Earth's gonna become if you don't do anything.
Of the employees, everybody say we need to do for our family, our company, our product, our environment, and then for ourselves.
It's no longer a trend. People expect corporations for long-term sustainability.
We actually do a lot of math. I went through a simulation. Wow, that is expensive. We simulate again many times. No matter how many times you simulate, it's not going to work.
But as more and more corporations commit RE100, it becomes increasingly difficult for us to reach it ourselves.
In the end, Acer is still a company looking for profit. It matters how the business can survive longer. So how we can find a balance in between, this is something I want to differentiate ourselves.
Stakeholders, for sure, they will hold us responsible for whatever decision we make. ESG is a long fight. Actually, don't know what the end result it could be. But we believe if we start from any point, then it will be better. Let's not keep calculating. Let's just make a decision. If we can do 100% renewable energy by 2035, how much it costs? We just have to do it.
I don't believe cost can be the excuse. No, the rational reason that general customer cannot purchase affordable green products. Thus, we have to focus on our core mission and work harder with our suppliers to provide more affordable green products to the society.
There's no precisely why, but there's determination of when we want to do it.
If you're thinking you want to be meaningful to the world, then I think doing the right things maybe is better than doing the things right.
To reach this goal by 2035, we also define midterm milestone for 2025. First, we save energy and reduce carbon emissions as much as possible. Second, we install renewable energy generation equipment ourselves. Third, we purchase renewable energy or renewable energy certificates. As for now, over 30 regions of Acer operation are powered by 100% renewable energy.
Because we are such a company sitting in the center of our supply chain. If we have something as a seed to influence and persuade our supply chain, then all the people around us will feel it.
We also request 80% of our critical suppliers by 2025 either commit RE100 as Acer has or set SBT science-based target for carbon reduction.
Everybody is looking for how can be meaningful to the world. We need to utilize that moment to our daily life in our business. This is something we want to drive and also push our employees to think that way.
Now we can see what lies ahead. We have very important responsibility here. That's why we set those targets for ourselves and our suppliers. I believe we have responsibility not just to our customers, but also our suppliers and partners. If it is not something we do now, we will be less competitive in business.
In the long term, a reliable partner willing to invest resources with us driving the same goal will be bigger impact.
A program to communicate to our supply chain, ESG, sustainability, and green. If we can do it together, we can make a lot of difference.
Apart from reaching RE100, we also share our responsibility to provide affordable green products with our suppliers and also cooperate with our suppliers for smart city solutions. Try to provide society with less energy consuming, more efficient, reduce carbon footprint lifestyle.
From internal sustainability to support suppliers with building greener city with local governments. That's Acer's way to extend our impact from PC ecosystem to the broader community. Supporting our effort are pivotal partners like Microsoft, who are working to accelerate the global transition to cleaner energy by providing technology to help drive energy transformation. I'm excited to invite Nicole Dezen, Chief Partner Officer and Corporate Vice President, Global Partner Solution of Microsoft, to share our common goal of creating a cleaner future for all.
Thank you so much for having me, Tiffany. Sustainability is something that is incredibly important to Microsoft and to me personally, and I'm honored to be part of this event. Over the past several years, the needs of customers and communities have shifted as people align more aspects of their lives with purpose. These changes present tremendous opportunity and a chance to rethink a world that works better for more of us. I appreciate how Acer has thoughtfully approached this and integrated sustainability into the entire product lifecycle, from product design and production through logistics and packaging design, all the way to recycling. It's amazing to see what the Eartheon platform has been able to achieve. Acer's re-concepts, reduce, reuse, and recycle, have had tangible impacts on device development with the Acer Vero, and they continue to expand on the line of green products made from recycled plastic, 100% recyclable packaging, are paint and sticker free, and run Windows 11. I'm looking forward to seeing these types of practices become widely adopted across our industry, and I'm so proud to see our Microsoft device partners really lean in to make a difference for our planet. It's exciting to see Acer being recognized for their efforts, including its first platinum medal from the EcoVadis sustainability rating and being listed among the top ESG scoring companies on the S&P Global Sustainability Yearbook in 2022, earning a silver class distinction. At Microsoft, sustainability isn't just something we do, it's at the core of our business. For more than a decade, Microsoft has steadily built on our commitment to innovation and investment in technologies to address environmental sustainability. We started our work by better organizing our data and realigning our company's vision and strategy with our sustainability goals. In 2020, we pledged to become a carbon negative, water positive, and zero waste company that protects more land than it uses by 2030. Through our technology and our rich partner ecosystem, we are building a critical foundation for a sustainable future. And we believe that to truly drive meaningful change, we must go beyond design, supply chain, materials, and carbon emissions. Through the Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability, we're empowering organizations to accelerate sustainability progress and business growth by bringing together a growing set of ESG capabilities from Microsoft and our global ecosystem of partners, which will help companies better take action and make meaningful change. We believe that together, we can build a more sustainable future, harnessing the power of technology. Microsoft and Acer have a long-standing partnership and a shared vision for sustainability. Our common aspiration of a more sustainable future helps empower organizations to achieve their ESG goals and drive lasting environmental change. Operating sustainably enables organizations to increase efficiency, accelerate growth, and lead with purpose. While we have so much to learn and quite a long way to go, I am confident that when it comes to sustainability, we're simply better together. Congratulations, Acer, on your Eartheon platform success. I look forward to seeing where we go next.
Thank you, Nicole, for the ongoing support. I can't wait to see how our next collaboration can create positive impact. We believe sustainability is a global effort that will only succeed if we all participate. At Acer, we don't just want to help consumers make greener choices, but we also want to empower business to join us on our journey to a greener tomorrow. So, on behalf of Acer, I would like to give a special appreciation to our partners and suppliers for taking part in the Eartheon program and our documentary. We believe every decision and step counts on the path to sustainability. Through our combined efforts, we can continue to reach our milestone and enact real change. Collaboration spurs new creations. To further expand the impact of our green ecosystem, Acer would like to invite more partners and suppliers with the same vision and mission to join our Eartheon program. I believe together we can help transform the existing PC industry with more sustainable products. People often say it takes 21 days to form a new habit. All of us at Acer were participating in a 21-day challenge for greener action, and we would love to have more of our partners and suppliers join us as well. For everyone else, I would like to invite you to follow our hashtag Acer 21-Day Challenge on the Instagram. If you are interested in the Eartheon program or the 21-Day Challenge, check out the description box below to sign up our event website.